Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna make a fruit salad. It is tasty, healthy, and delicious. You can use any seasonal fruits for this. We need to cut these fruits into small pieces. Let's see what all fruits we need. After cutting the fruits, we need to add 1 teaspoon of lime juice and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix this together and add it to the fruit salad. Now I am going to add some black salt. Mix all together gently. Our tasty, healthy and delicious fruit salad is ready. We need to serve it immediately for better taste. Thank you.
Please like, share and subscribe.